Okay, I am at a place that I have checked out many times before with all these AC units. And there's actually two parts to this complex. I'm at the first part. I'm going to be making a video of all these units. So yeah, here we have 3 remade units. Here we have 2 Roods. This one's running. That's a 1.5 ton from 2016. And then here's a Weather King. $2 from 2020. Tall Rood unit right here. $5 from 2018. Here's another Rood unit. $4 from 2018. This one has an ECM motor. Here's a Comfort Maker unit. $4 from 2002. I really like this unit a lot. Here's a Keep Rate unit and a Weather King unit. Here's a New York unit. And this ICP was just running, just turned off. (2022) 1.5 ton. And I'll get the data off this Keep Rate. That's a 2013 1.5 ton. And I think all the Weather Kings are the same thing, pretty much. Here's a Comfort Maker unit. Another Arcware unit. $19.99 5-ton. This one has a new motor. Here's a Bond refrigerating component. Another Weather King. Arcware unit right here. Another Rood. Luxair unit. Here's an Arcware unit running. Here we have 2 Bryant Legacy Line units. This one's running. And both of these have Copeland scroll compressors. (2021) 4-ton. Another Weather King and a Keep Rate unit. But yeah, there's the units at this first part, and I'll go to the second part here in just a second. Be right back. Okay, I am at the second part of the complex now with all these units. Here's a pain unit. This unit's only been installed for 3 years and the motor is already really rusting on it. Fan motor doesn't seem like it's spinning that fast either. And it's also on a low ambient kit too, even though it's in the upper 60s right now. That's a 5-ton from 2019. Has an LG scroll compressor. And I'll wait for it to come back on. There it goes. Yeah, the fan motor doesn't seem like it's spinning as fast as it used to. And then here is a comfort maker unit, which is running. That's a 3-ton from 2004. And here is a smaller comfort maker. This has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. From 2003, and that's a 1.5-ton. And then here is a Weather King unit. $2-ton from 2020. Okay, here are these units now. Here we have an ICP unit of some kind. I believe this to be either a keep rate or a comfort maker unit. It's a 2-ton from 2011. And then here we have 2 Guardian units. And then here are these units. Here's a Weather King unit. This one I saw running when it was snowing outside and it was in the 20s. $1,024-ton. And then here's some more comfort makers. And here are these units. Here's a comfort maker soft sound. The logo on this unit is in really good shape. That's a 3.5-ton from 2003. Here are 2 ICP units. This one's running. It's 2015 5-ton, I think. And then here we have 4 units right here. Here's a comfort maker unit. And I wonder what happened to it. Looks like there's a lot of oil on it. I don't know. This unit's always been like that. And then here's a Luxair running. And here's a comfort maker. $1,008 2-ton, I think. And then here's a Daikin unit running. And the fan is spinning really slowly on this unit for some reason. That's a 5-ton from 2001, or no, 2021. But yeah, decided to get a video of all these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.